Gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2020 Harris Solstice 250. It's got the sparkling champagne accent, powered by a strong Mercury Verado, 350 horsepower. She will definitely be able to move. This boat's equipped with a JL audio stereo system. Got the soft touch vinyl interior. Look at Harris's accent package. They've really outdone themselves with this. You got LEDs in the cup holders. This particular boat has the interior and exterior lighting package. Also has a sport tower. The bimini will fold out. This particular boat has a dual helm option, and both come equipped with the bolsters. And one of the things you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is come take a seat in this. These are so comfortable, you won't want to get up. Equipped with our navigation unit here. It's a Simrad. Huge display. Got a JL audio stereo system, so Bluetooth capabilities keep you wireless all day. And over here for the co-captain, can also control the radio. Got a glove box here, storage under these compartments. Got your ski tow storage integrated in that center tune. Check out the flooring in this. Stay cool all day long. The infinity weave, it's very functional. One-hand access to all your seat compartments. This is a quick walkthrough to this Harris 250 Solstice. And for any other questions, feel free to contact us at 573-606-3029. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our page.